Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing y'all how to reinstall a wig. Everything about this wig will be in the description box, y'all. This is beginner friendly. So let's get right into this video. I hope y'all enjoy. So I'm starting off with this freshly washed wig. It is a body wave wig, y'all. I did wash it. Very quick install, literally like on the go to go. This install is really meant to last you like, a couple days. So now I'm just measuring out where I want to lay the wig down at. And also, y'all, I previously had baby hairs already plucked out, parted out on this wig. So I just kind of went over it to make it more easier on me. And I feel like if your wig is like that as well, it's definitely helpful. So y'all, I'll be using one layer of glue for this install. As I said before, I don't really be sweating like that. I really don't even be doing much. So my wigs do last up to like 4 or 5 days, a week. So I'm just putting one layer of glue. I did get this glue from some girl that stay in my city. It is not regular Ghost Bond or none of the known lace glues. So I'm just putting this there and I'm gonna let it dry for a couple seconds, and I will come back and I'll be letting the wig down. Now y'all, this kind of a little harder because you don't have like a brand new or a clean lace to go off of. You basically just going off your mind in the previous hairstyle. So this definitely is a process, y'all. This definitely is a process, but I wanted to drop this video for y'all. So I really want to make this video for some of y'all that went to a hairstylist and now y'all got a wig that y'all can't put back on y'all own. And here go a video that's very helpful. I also want to do some different content because I feel like I do the same videos all the time. So yeah, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I honestly didn't know how I wanted to style this hair or what look I was going for. I just know that I wanted to reinstall it. So I ended up putting it in a braid across the front. My usual go-to is a side part. So I figured to do something different. Now, I am not a braider. Everybody knows that I am not a braider. So my braid kind of was, iffy. But it was cute. It gave kind of like the lazy, vibe. The messy vibe look. Plus the hair is water wave. So I wasn't really complaining. It kind of was hard to work with by being water wave with the braid. But I did get the job done. So guys, this is the final look. I hope this was helpful for somebody that's out there trying to learn how to put their wig on. As I said before, this is very beginner friendly, very beginner friendly. I am not a professionalist. Also, I had previously had this wig installed, so I figured why not reinstall it. This hair is in the description box. Everything that you need to know be in the description box, y'all. You can go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok if you already haven't. If you do not know, we're on the road to 50K, period. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend about my channel, and I will see y'all in my next video. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notifications. You get a notification every time I post a new video, sis. And until next time.